Hello friends, my name is Irene, and in today's video I'm going to take you through the Boolean operations. So just make sure you are attentive and we can go through today's work. So we are going to look at the Boolean operations, just like I told you. Let us start by defining what are Boolean operators. Are a simple word. The simple words like we have the and, the or, and not, as in used as a conjunction to combine or exclude keyword in search. They help you to narrow or even broaden results in search. They allow you to narrow or broaden your search results, making them precise and relevant by establishing relationship between the keywords. That's why I said we have the and, the or, and the not. So they help you, as in it is just a conjunction to combine or even exclude words in your search. They help you narrow or even broaden your search. So let us look at the basics Boolean operators. We have the and. We are going to look at them one by one. We have the and. So and find results combining all terms. They narrow intersecting areas of two cycles. For example, you can be searching of a cat and a dog. So you see, you put and between the cat and the dogs, the cats and the dogs. So this is how it works. And you can, with the other one, we have the or. Or finds results containing at least one term. They broadened results, as in uses synonyms, and they combine areas of both cycles, as in the teens. Maybe you are searching about teens or adolescents. So you can put the or in the middle just to do what? Just to broaden your results. That means you're going to get the results of both teens and adolescents if you say or. Then we have the not. It excludes following the operator. The narrow result circle A include, as in excluding the overlap with the circle B population. You can say I'm searching about population, not plastics. You get? So the plastics will be excluded, then population will be included. So that's how it works. So the visual examples are here. The best way to understand Boolean operators is through Venn diagram, which represents how to operate combined concepts. So we have the and it is an intersection. Imagine two cycles. One is vaccines, then the other is children. The intersection in the middle, it is the result. So the vaccines and children, it only shows result where about topics meet, as in where about topics meet. Just like the two cycles, we're talking about the first cycle is the vaccines, then the other one is children. So the intersection, as in the middle, it is the result. The one that will come in the middle is the result. So you get the vaccines and children. You get the vaccine for the children. It only shows result where both topics meet. Then let us use or it's a union. Just union, it unites the two cycles labeled colleague and universities. So colleague or university includes everything in both cycles. So you get, it's just a union whereby you will get both the colleagues and the university. Then we have not difference, as in it, you can use it as differences. So we are understanding and intersect. Yeah? Then it unites, it get results for both parties. Then we have not. If you say not, it means you're excluding a certain thing. For example, as steaming cycle overlapping a cable cycle. So you say steaming, not cable, returns only the streaming side, excluding anything that also mentions cable. Advanced tips for effective searching: always use uppercases, type an or and not in all caps, so database recognize them as operators, not regular words. So if you're using them, make sure that in uppercase, so that the database will recognize them as operators, but not just regular words. Hope you got that point. These are the tips. Then use presentations of complex searches. Parentheses, group, team together, just like in math. For example, we have teenager, or adolescence. What did we say? Or it's a union. It gives you and anxiety. So use quotation marks for phrases. Social media ensures the words are searched together as single phrase rather than separately. So you have to use a single phrase, quotation for the marks as in for phrases. Then you can use truncation. We talked about truncation already and hope you know them. We have the asterisk, that is the star. It is used to find variation of words. For example, teen, asterisk. Find teens, as in teen, teens, and teenager. All, it defines it. Then we have the Google default behavior. If you enter cats, as in cats, dogs in Google, it automatically assumes cats and dogs. You get how to use them. So scenario, you are researching the impact of social media on teenage anxiety, but you don't want results about feedback. You get too broad search, you can just say social media in bracket too many irrelevant as in too many irrelevant irrelevant results. Then you're using and focus social media and teenager. So you're going to limit results to both concepts. Then you're using or synonyms, teenager or adolescence and social media. It broadens the coverage. It includes the alternative terminology. So use not, as in using not, the teenager or adolescence and social media, not feed, as in not Facebook filters out the unwanted topics. The not will filter out the unwanted topic. Teenage, not adolescence. You get. So that is the end. Thank you very much for your time. Till we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.